PrintAPI, you can now streamline your workflow like never before. At Epilog, we've always been dedicated to enhancing your experience with your laser system. With over 36 years of experience in the industry, we understand that today's customers need solutions that are not only powerful, but seamlessly integrated with their existing workflows. So, how does PrintAPI work? It's simple but powerful. PrintAPI enables direct communication between your software environment and Epilog laser systems. You can programmatically send jobs directly to the laser system from your applications by specifying settings and graphics information. PrintAPI can be integrated into your own ERP, kiosk, or other custom applications. This means you can create customized workflows that match your production needs. It's about making the process easier, faster, and error-free. By eliminating redundant steps and reducing manual input, PrintAPI lets you focus on what you do best, while our technology handles the details. PrintAPI is designed for professionals managing high-volume production, complex workflows, or those seeking custom development options.